the finished product for now. We got some black mulch on it. Looks so much better. Still need to weed eat it really good around it. But anyway, I think it's pretty.
A scorpion? Yeah. It'll sting kind of like a scorpion. Yeah, it's not a centipede. That's what we always
Ooh, I like that. But you
should.
should have put it on probably cinder blocks, but that's
Well,
good.
I couldn't find any.
Those big square ones?
The big square flat ones, I couldn't
Where's
find
his
them.
head?
It's right here.
Oh, I was saying he lost his head. Put that poor saint's head on. He got beheaded. He got beheaded.
I don't know how stable that is, but surely the board will settle down in a little while, like a day or two.
Oh, hopefully.
The wind blowing tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be
Well,
all
if he
right.
loses his head again, it all falls over. We'll know we got to get the cement thing instead of, because that board's going to rot.
Yeah, it's gonna rot.
Mama, look.
Oh, them little worms, them little black. Okay. So we put some soil in here, planted some rose moss and some purple potato vine. So probably end up putting some more and put some mulch over that, and it should be fine. He's got his head for now. This is my headless martyr. I keep putting his head on, it keeps falling off. Okay. Kind of get some of the flower bed and stuff. Sorry for the road noise. I live by the road, which I hate, but it is what it is. So this is the finished product for now. We got some black mulch on it. Looks so much better. Still need to weed eat it really good around it. But anyway, I think it's pretty.